Hey there! Welcome to our video all about machine learning. Today, we're diving into what machine learning is, why it's super important in our everyday lives, how it actually works, where you can find it in action, and who's responsible for making it all happen. So, what exactly is machine learning? Think of machine learning as a cool part of artificial intelligence that teaches computers to learn from data without needing someone to tell them what to do every step of the way. Now, let's talk about why we need machine learning in our day-to-day lives. It's actually pretty awesome because machine learning helps make things personalized for us, takes care of tasks automatically, and even predicts stuff to help us make smarter choices. Machine learning is a step-by-step process from gathering and preparing data to selecting and training models, and then using them to make predictions or decisions. Let's discuss about where you can find machine learning doing its thing. Seriously, it's everywhere. From online shopping to healthcare, finance, transportation, marketing, and even gaming, machine learning is making waves in so many different areas. Now let's understand who's behind all this machine learning magic. Well, it's not just one person or group. There's a whole bunch of folks, like data scientists, software whizzes, ethicists, and even regulatory bodies and companies, all working together to make sure machine learning is used responsibly and effectively. Machine learning is a revolutionary technology that improves our lives by providing personalized experiences, automating tasks, predicting outcomes, and assisting us in making better decisions. It is widely used across multiple fields and requires a collaborative effort to ensure its proper implementation. Join us as we explore how this technique helps us categorize data into different groups. Subscribe for more insights into the world of data science. Thank you,